Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt tasty. Start by choosing a plain, unsweetened yogurt as your base. This gives you full control over the flavors you add. Think about what you enjoy in other desserts or snacks. We'll cover various ways to transform your yogurt from bland to brilliant, ensuring every spoonful is a delight. Get ready to elevate your yogurt game with simple, effective additions. Beyond the basics, let's explore some creative combinations. A little goes a long way with extracts and spices, transforming the entire profile. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fruit and spice pairings. For example, try peaches with a pinch of ginger or apples with a dash of cardamom. These simple additions can make your yogurt feel like a gourmet experience. Hey everyone, quick break here. If you're finding these tips helpful, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like. It really helps the channel grow. On another note, if you're looking to sweeten up your financial future, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Yogurt isn't just for sweet treats. It shines in savory applications too. Think about using it as a healthy alternative to sour cream or mayonnaise. A dollop of plain yogurt can brighten up soups or stews. You can also create a quick, flavorful dip for vegetables or crackers. Savory yogurt is incredibly versatile and adds a creamy texture to many meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.